Want to increase engagement on your Facebook posts? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add send message button on Facebook post. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Make sure you've switched into your Facebook page. Now tap on what's on your mind. Now write whatever caption you would like to. Then tap on the three dots at the right side above the keyboard. Then scroll down and tap on Get Messages. Then tap on Next. Set your viewers and commenters on public. Change the scheduling option if you like to. Then tap on Post. Now, people can directly message you from the post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.